Okay, you see me, you see me, you see me. Okay, the choices are endless.
Poetically refined, processed and purified, cultivated designs when I'm in my state of mind. Always outside the box, couldn't stay inside the lines. Gotta have my freedom, I cannot be confined.
What's up, fam squad? It's your paper girl Faith, and today we're back with another wig review. Another wig review. Really though? Really? Like while I'm recording though? Okay, so today's video is sponsored by Elemo hair. Oh my goodness, I am so excited for this video. They sent me this wig, so I'm gonna be reviewing it for you guys and letting you guys know how I feel about this wig or whatnot. And yeah, so the wig was shipped by DHL. I did not open the package yet because I wanted you guys to see my reaction just to, you know, the wig and stuff like that. So yeah, let's just get into this, okay? Y'all. Ooh, okay. So this is how the packaging is looking. Really nice, okay? Really nice packaging. A nice hard box that you can put anywhere. I really love this packaging. It has their name in bold letters. Natural beauty and comfortable. 100% virgin human hair. They offer their Facebook, Instagram, and I guess this is their website. You just scan it with your phone. So that's pretty dope as well. Nice packaging. Really nice. So let's get into this wig though. Ooh, okay. They gave me little goodies and stuff. Okay, Elmo, yeah. Y'all hooking a girl up, I see y'all. Yes, little goodie bag they gave. Ooh, they gave me a comb. They gave me a wig cap, some eyelashes, this makeup brush, cheetah print, really nice. Love it. Okay, I will be putting my makeup stuff in here, hair stuff, whatever. You know, usually when I order wigs, they don't be giving you all of this, so I really do appreciate that. You know, you can take this, boom. Okay. Okay. Y'all, I'm too much. And then just, you know, just close this up a little bit. Okay, this is really cute. I like this, and the material on this is very nice. It's not super cheap. I could tell it's not really super cheap. Like, it's really durable, really, you know, gonna last you a little bit. So this is the bag that it comes in, and this is a 16-inch straight wig. It's a 360. Baby, I could wear ponytails, I could wear all of that with this wig, okay? It has lace all around, and you can, you know, swoop your baby hairs, do all of that. This is how the wig is looking straight out the pack. Density is very nice. It's very thick, no shedding at all. Hair is very soft. It has the lace all around the wig, period, sis. Okay, you gonna be shining on these haters, okay? And this is the wig construction. Bomb.com. I have to say, cap construction is untouchable, period. Elmo hair, you did your thing. You got me with this wig. I recommend anybody to buy this wig, period, because this wig is just on point. And this is not just because it's sponsored. No, I'm keeping it real. I always keep it real. Y'all know that. So yeah, I really love this wig. Like, the, oh my goodness, this cap construction is on point. So first off, what caught my eye is that they have the adjustable strap, right? You see it right here, right? But you can't see it in the back. The hair is covered, and they have the lace right here. I don't know if you can see. I put my finger right here. They have the lace right here to cover up, you know, this right here, so you can't even see it. So it's really gonna be undetectable when you put it on, you know, as a ponytail, you know what I'm saying? So that's gonna be bomb. They give you all of this, all of this. They give you so much pardon. I mean, the pardon is endless, sis. You could do whatever you want with this wig, okay? And then the back, which looks like this. Really bomb. You know, they give you a good amount of lace in the back as well. Then in the middle, that's where they got it kind of like sewn in. I'm gonna initially try it on for you guys to show you guys how it looks and stuff like that, but I really want to go in and bleach the knots and tint my lace so it could really melt in my skin, and I could really show you guys like how this would look if you really took your time to install this wig and everything. Okay, so yeah, we're just gonna try it on, and I'm gonna do my little ritual. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, this is big hair friendly. Yeah, this is big hair friendly. Okay, so can't really see nothing. Okay, definitely gonna have to glue this down and customize this in order for this to work for me, you know, and that's cool. I'm completely cool with that. So what I'm gonna do is just go ahead behind the scenes, go ahead and take care of this, you know, to bleach the knots, tip my lace, cut the lace off, and pluck this hairline a little bit, you know, because I really want it to stand out. So
I had a dream last night, dreamed of clear blue skies, no tears and eyes. I know we'll be alright, put a pride aside, let's just try. Sleep at night, I'm praying that he might be what I need. So all this time to see, you're a shell of the man in my dream. I need him next to me so that we fulfill our destiny. I need to feel just like I felt last night. Be what I need. I'll just dream of you all day, right up till I'm of you. I'll just dream of you all day, right up till I'm dreaming of you. If the man I have is right, I won't let him go without a fight. I know the days to come, filled with dreams come true. I spend my life with you. Sleep at night, I'm praying that he might be what I need. As the night turns to day, I know my feelings will fade as reality plays. I know that time will show that all things get better as the night grows. I need to feel just like I felt last night. Baby, I need you to I need to feel just like I felt last night. To dream of you because I'll just dream of you all day, right up till I'm of. To dream of you because I'll just dream of you all day, right up till I'm.
all right, y'all, so I really was feeling the curls with this wig, so you know I had to bring them out, and all I used was this olive oil mousse and a little bit of got to be glue spray so that way it could stay. And man, these curls are on point. I know this is a straight wig, but I just wanted to show that this wig does have a curl to it. Okay, this wig is 16 inches. As you can see, it stops right here. When you stretch it out, it stretches all the way right here, and then in the back it's right here. You could wear this wig straight, you could wear this wig curly, you could do whatever you want with this wig, sis. So that's why this wig is so bomb. Like seriously, look at these curls. You see these curls? It's still kind of drying a little bit, but for the most part, I mean, you see me though. As you can see, this is how a side part will look. I'm telling y'all, this wig is bomb, period. Like, you see me in these streets, period, with these curls for the girls, and this hairline is a bomb, okay, period. So this is a style too. Y'all know I like my half up, half down styles. So yes, this wig is bomb. And so many styles you could do with this, and you know you can part all the way back here, so you can do whatever you want to do. You can rock a back ponytail like this. Okay, so y'all know y'all can wear it in a bun, so I got it in a bun for y'all. I really don't want to show y'all the back because the back look really horrific, and it's not because of Elemo hair, it's because of me. I don't know how to do the back. I'm still learning. This actually my first 360 wig that I'm actually trying to lay down, and so I'm learning, you know. But I'm gonna show you the back anyway. I really don't want to. Yeah, as you can see, this is the back. And then the side doesn't look that bad. The side actually looks pretty good. You know, I'm still working on customizing and laying these wigs down. But as you can see, what laces. Add you a little scarf to it too. You know, make yourself look cute. Feel cute, girl. Come on now. Come on now. You can't tell me that you don't see me right now. You can't tell me that you don't see me right now. You can't tell me that this ain't my hair. Like, if you like me and you kind of like not really good at the, you know, back part, just put a scarf over it, girl, and you'll walk outside looking cute with some nice little hoops like the ones I got on. Rock you a nice little t-shirt like the one I got on, and you're gonna be killing these periods, sis. Okay? Okay? You see me. You see me. You see me, okay? The choices are endless. Y'all, so this is the end of my video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos and more content. Bye.